You're a child. You don't know anything.
Why are you talking to the child like that? People really have to stop belittling children and teenagers as if they don't have feelings and as if what they don't have to say is important. When you sit in here consistently yelling at your kids, like if they're trying to speak, like, shut up, I don't know why. Stop that. First of all, stop yelling at children for every little thing. Like, children and teen, as humans, it is okay for us to make mistakes. So when they make mistakes, speak to them. Stop yelling at them. Also, if your child does something wrong and you're punishing them or you're gonna yell at them, explain to them what they did wrong and explain to them why you're upset with them. Like, stop acting like they're not human. Stop belittling them and act like they can't feel a certain type of way, especially like with teenagers. I don't know what it is, but it's like once people become adults, they forget that they were children and teenagers. Like, they try to tell teenagers, oh, you're so young, life is so easy. You don't know that. Being a teenager is hard because as a teenager, you're still trying to figure yourself out. You're trying to figure out who your friends are. Then you're being put that pressure in high school about the real world. And then now you're trying to mentally prepare yourself as a teenager about the real world. And you're 15, 16, even 14, figuring out what the hell you're going to do when you're out of high school. So stop making children and teenagers feel less than. Listen to them. When they speak, just hear what they have to say. Because you don't want it to be that your teenager goes off to a friend and they start doing dumb shit and then you're upset, crying like, why couldn't you speak to me? Because you're fucking yelling at them all the time and belittling them and making them feel like they don't have anything to say, like they don't have a voice. How can you treat the people of our future this way? Stop. Just listen. Stop belittling them. Stop making them feel like they're not human. Stop making them feel like that they're not allowed to have an opinion. The only time I'll probably, like, you gotta on that is when teenagers or children are trying to insert themselves in adult conversations, which could be another YouTube topic. That's something completely different. But if a child or teenager is trying to express themselves, listen. Stop yelling at them. Don't tell them that they shouldn't have feelings because life is so good. You don't know what a mentality is as a child or a teenager. Like, you should know because you were once this. So stop being closed-minded. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you can get my notifications. Also, it's Friday. Happy Friday. Fuck it up. It's Friday. Happy Friday. Hey. Until next time. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you for watching. Bye.